Hello my loves, welcome back to my page. Today I am gonna be doing a quick video, really short video. This is a sauce that we all know and love to use on our meat or fish, but sometimes if you live far from a Jamaican store like myself, you run out. I'm gonna be showing you a quick and easy way how to make your sauce, your fish and meat sauce. Alright, so welcome back to my page. I hope you're all doing fine and I'm happy to have you as usual. So we're gonna be going off the main ingredients that they have on the bottle, and I already have all of that here. One of the main ingredients is mango. I don't have any fresh mango at the moment, but I do have some organic mango chunks, so that's what we're going to be using. So I just want to go ahead and show you the consistency of the sauce, and that's the same consistency we want to go for and the same color. So let's see, that's all I have left. Let's see if we can achieve this. All right, you can actually smell the ingredients in it. So you can see it's not too thick and it's not too runny, just semi-thick. So let's go. One of the ingredients are peppers. So we're gonna add our peppers. We're gonna cut them up. I'm not gonna use all of that. Slice these up, remove the seeds. I'm gonna use a piece of the red, the yellow, green. I mean, I don't think the colors matter, but just go ahead and use whatever you have. So one of the ingredients on it says spice. We don't know what type of spice, but we're gonna go ahead and assume it's maybe Scotch bonnet pepper. All right, and I don't have any Scotch bonnet pepper, so I'll be using hot sauce. All right, so we're gonna use these, and I have my mango. It's frozen. We're gonna rinse off the ice. We're also gonna need some onion powder and garlic powder as well. So I like to just prep all my ingredients and then I move on to the cooking process. And if you haven't seen my homemade sazon video, you can go ahead and check that out. I posted it yesterday as a reel, so you can check my reels and watch that video as well. It has no MSG and no dye. And if you look carefully, you will see some black spots that looks like black pepper. So I'm assuming that when they say spice, it could mean pimento. So I'm going to crush a few pimento to add in it as well. We're just assuming, we're not sure, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious anyhow. And I will also add a little of the hot sauce. So I'm going to add just a little olive oil in the pot. We're going to saute the peppers and the mangoes. When I'm making sauce, the mango shouldn't be too ripe or too green. We're gonna add our tomato paste. That's one of the ingredients. Let's add 1 tablespoon for now. Our next ingredient is water. I'm adding 1/2 cup for now. Now that we add the water, we can pump up the stove just a little bit more. This smells so good already. I'm gonna add the hot sauce last because I know when spice is cooking, it kind of gives you a runny nose. We're not gonna make it spicy because this sauce, to be honest, is not a spicy sauce. Onion powder, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Now we're gonna go in with our vinegar and our brown sugar, which is on their ingredients. See, so I'm adding. Let's add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. After we taste it, we can see what we need to add. 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of sugar. Now we're gonna add the color, which is caramel, whichever browning you have. This one is very dark, so I have to be careful. Just add a little. Ooh, look at that already. Just about a half teaspoon and about a half teaspoon of crushed pimento. We're gonna blend this now and then add it back to the pot. So after adding everything to the blender, we're gonna go ahead and puree. Alright, so that's the color that it ends up with. We're gonna need to add some more color. I'm adding about quarter cup more of water because it's a bit thicker than I want it to be. And normally when you're making sauce and you want it to have a little shine, you can add some corn syrup, but because we already have brown sugar in there, we're gonna add a little vegetable oil, or if you want to use butter, to add a little shine to the sauce. Let that cook down just a little bit. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And as I said before, you can taste it, see what it needs. If you want to add more garlic powder, onion powder, a pinch of salt, a little more spice, whatever it is. And because the pot is dark, it's hard to tell the color, so when we pour it out, we will see what color it has. But for right now, the consistency is not looking too bad. As soon as it simmers down for about 5 minutes, then we'll have our desired thickness. Can't really see what it looks like, but there you go. We're gonna taste it and see. Not bad, don't look bad, so we're gonna taste it and see if we need anything in there. Tastes fine. All we need now is a little more vinegar. We're gonna turn it off and then we're gonna pour a little vinegar to preserve it. Maybe about a teaspoon. And we already have the brown sugar in there to balance the acidity of the vinegar and the tomato paste. So that's it. I feel like this is a nice consistency. You know, when it cools down it gets a little thicker, so we're gonna remove it from the stove now. All right, where the color is concerned, it already tastes good because I taste it, but where the color is concerned, we're gonna see if it matches the original. So this is the original color and thickness from the bottle, and this is the one created by Howie Rose Cook. Let's see. Original, mine. Not bad, pretty close. You can see this have an extra shininess in there, so you know they probably allegedly add something to add to the shyness, maybe corn syrup. I'm not sure. Most people use corn syrup to give their sauce the shininess that it needs, but this is perfect. And as it cools, it gets a little thicker. Okay, my love, we're all done. We have our homemade fish and meat sauce. This is all I got from it, and I removed the label from the people in bottle. So yeah, this tastes very good, tastes better. So nothing is wrong with experimenting. Even if you're living in Jamaica and you're able to buy this You know, if you have all the ingredients at home and you want to experiment, go ahead and try it out. Add your own flavor, add your own twist. Nothing is wrong with that. You know, when the pandemic came, a lot of people became very innovative, and who never used to cook at home started cooking at home. So yeah, now you're gonna go ahead and start making your own sauce. And I appreciate your time. Thank you for sticking and staying with me. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the comment section. All right, and don't forget to share the video with a friend or family. Bye.